I got it, I got it. Look at her. She loves you, I guess.
She loves me.
No. No. She's gonna hop off.
No, she's not. I won't let her.
You have 2.
I know, I know.
You can't have 3. We don't have a tank big enough.
I know.
Well, we were just out here, you know, decorating our porch. And of course we found a baby. Absolute baby. She's very pretty. She's got these, oh, she hates the camera. She's got these stripes. Oh, oh, she's going into your hair. Goodbye.
Where's she going?
Goodbye.
Ma'ams!
Please get her. Please. Oh no.
Oh God. Oh jeez. Ma'am.
Okay, can we go put her down now?
Yeah.
Responsible frog ownership, kids. Release your beautiful babies.
She's so active. No.
She is lovely, and I don't want to torment her any longer. Okay, you'll have to take her. Let's go.
We're not tormenting her. She loves it.
Okay. Well, she'll love having crickets in the wild, and she might have babies that look just like her, and we can come get them, okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah, she wants freedom.
Told you.
Bye.
There she goes. Goodbye.
Look at her.
I still hear her. She's giant. Me too. Hey. You love our frogs that we have? Yeah. That's why we can't have her.
I know.
Goodbye. We'll remember you always. Beautiful striped lady. Anyway, our porch is looking great. We just got these lights today. Ignore the tidy cats. That is our trash box. We also planted these snapdragons the other day. They're looking great. An old teapot we found in the woods. The rest of the stuff we need to clean up. I was cleaning the bench a little bit, but fixing the place up real nice. All right, that's our update for the day. What do you have to say?
They're upset.
The cats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fairy's being a bitch.
Maybe so. All right. Well, on that ominous note, we will see you next time. Bye, guys.